Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be reviewing the Airflow versus Dagster versus Prefect. Hello everyone, so we will be reviewing the Airflow versus Dagster versus Prefect. So, in 2025, the Apache Airflow remains the veteran of workflow orchestration battle-tested nature with a massive ecosystem. So the release of version 3.0 introduced game-changing improvements like DAG versioning, a fully React-based UI, built-in event-driven scheduling, and a modular task execution interface, bringing it closer to real-time, resilient pipeline needs while preserving its robust community and integration depth. Dagster, by contrast, emerges as the data-aware. Orchestrator is its asset-centric design, strong typing, and testability help teams manage data lineage, quality, and observability more efficiently, making it a top choice for data ops and ML workloads even though its community remains smaller. Prefect, on the other hand, lastly, is comfortable in between modernity and developer productivity. Built cloud native from the ground up, it offers Pythonic APIs, excellent observability with dynamic workflows, and seamless error handling and retries tailored for agile teams, ML ops, and event driven scenarios. So ultimately, the best choice hinges on your needs. You want to do Airflow for enterprise scale reliability and ecosystem richness. We have Dagster for data lineage, asset management, and modern testing, or Prefect if you want ease of use, flexibility, and real time orchestration capabilities.